Hi everyone, welcome to Sol's Cooking. I'm going to show in this video my own way of cooking orange chicken. It is simple and easy to follow, and the ingredients are and now let's get started. First is we're going to start with the chicken thighs. Of course, you're going to wash, dry, and cut into cubes or bite size. So we're going to marinate the chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt, baking soda, ground black pepper, and a cooking wine. Just mix all together. And set it aside, or you can keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And second, in a separate bowl, we're going to combine the salt, ground black pepper, cornstarch, flour, stir together, add in 1 egg lightly beaten, just whisk, add the water in, give a good whisk again, and the oil, and when your batter look like this and you get the right consistency, you're going to add in the marinated chicken into the batter. Stir it and set it aside for another 5 minutes before frying all the chicken. And while I was waiting for the chicken to be marinated from our batter, I already preheated my oil, and make sure that your oil is really hot, and we're going to fry the chicken one by one into the hot oil, just like this. Do not overcrowd your pan. Cook your chicken by batch. I don't know how many batches that it could be, but just make sure that you don't overcrowd your pan. And if the meat looks like a golden brown, and that means it's cooked, so you're going to take it away or take it out from the oil and put on another batch. After frying all the chicken, you're just going to remove your oil from the pan, and on the same pan you're going to make your orange sauce. Okay, now we're going to cook the orange sauce. So first is the chili flake. The garlic. The ginger. Sugar. Brown sugar. Orange juice. I use a fresh orange juice here, guys, but if you do not have a fresh one, you can always use the one from the jar. And then add in your vinegar. And the soy sauce. And let's wait for the ingredients to simmer. Now we're going to add in our slurry, which is the mixture of water and a flour. Let's wait until the sauce thickens. So as soon as the sauce thickens, we're going to add in all the cooked chicken. And here is our orange chicken, guys. It's already cooked and it's ready to be served. And here is our orange chicken. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions and suggestions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. And I appreciate if you like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.